Hello and welcome, aspirants. Cracking environment PYQs is about pattern recognition and smart elimination. In the next 3 minutes, we'll analyze 20 questions. But more importantly, I'll show you the tricks, rules, and repetitions that UPSC loves. Let's unlock these questions together. Let's start with this 2022 question on your screen on nitrogen fixing plants. Look at the list: alfalfa, amaranth, chickpea, clover, purslane, and spinach. Here's a key trick: general knowledge elimination. Most of us know that spinach from our daily diet is not a nitrogen fixer. So immediately eliminate any answer option containing spinach, which is number 6. That removes option B, C, and D instantly. You're left directly with option A, that is 1, 3, and 4. Alfalfa, chickpea, clover are classic legumes, nitrogen fixing plants with rhizobium bacteria. This is how you use your basic knowledge and logic as a weapon. See the pattern in this section. UPSC constantly asks you to categorize organisms. Look at the question on your screen: decomposers, fungi, and bacteria. The ocean's primary producers: cyanobacteria and diatoms. Detrivores, earthworm, millipedes, woodlice. This is all static, list-based knowledge that guarantees marks. Now on to the processes that drive ecosystem productivity. Take this question on marine upwelling zones. Read the question carefully. The core concept tested here is what actually boosts marine growth. Is the nutrient-rich waters from the deep rising to the surfaces? So only statement 2 about nutrients is correct. The answer here is B. And here's a crucial point. UPSC often repeats core concepts. Look at this 2018 question on desert leaf modifications to prevent water loss. The options are hard waxy leaves, tiny leaves, and thorns. This exact logic, plant reducing surface area and water loss, has also been tested before repeatedly. All the 3 adaptations are correct, so the answer is D. When you see adaptation questions, think logically about the environmental challenge. Let's move to definitions, which are favorite. The best description of an ecosystem is not just the community of organisms, not just the space they live in. It is specifically the community plus their physical environment. This makes option C correct. Now for a current affairs trick question, look at M stripes. If you're unsure of the word, just break the word stripes and link it to a tiger. That's how you arrive at the answer: the maintenance of tiger reserves. Let's wrap up this master strategy. 1. Use common sense elimination, like removing spinach from the list. 2. Spot direct repeats, especially in adaptation processes. 3rd, master the textbook definitions. And 4th, use word linkages for tricky current affairs. See you again on Yuki.